What are the main points for regular maintenance of the circulating chiller? Circulating chillers are used frequently in the industry, and the heat-generating parts of various devices require circulating coolers, so operating efficiency is very important. During the running time of the circulating chiller, it is necessary to frequently check whether the cooling water pipe connection is safe and firm, whether the flow, temperature and pressure of the cooling water are appropriate, so as not to affect the cooling effect of the circulating cooler if the water flow is too large or too small. The operator also needs to set a time to check the circulating water position of the water tank on a specific date each year to avoid the water level drop without knowing it, resulting in insufficient circulating water supply, so regular inspections and replenishment of circulating water. During the use of the circulating chiller, in order to prevent the growth of microorganisms and other substances in the circulating water and affect the cooling effect of the circulating chiller, it is necessary to pay attention to water quality issues. It is recommended to check the water quality problems regularly and to replace the water quality at least annually. In addition, the compressor air, cooled filter and the cooling fan blades in the circulating chiller should be cleaned regularly. It is recommended that they should be cleaned every 6 months. After the cleaning is completed, 1 to 2 drops of oil should be added to the circulating cooler fan bearing. In order to reduce the impact of the scale of the circulating chiller on the flow and cooling capacity, the pipeline is cleaned every 5 years, every 2 years if the tap water is used for cooling, to reduce the generation of pipeline scale.